Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie, and today we're going to be taste testing a Pineapple Pleasure mango. This is a Zills variety. It's been up for a couple years. I've had it before. I don't remember particularly being excited about it before. Nothing wrong with it. It just, I don't know. I don't remember it, which means probably the one I had wasn't that good. This is one that got shipped to us. We didn't grow it ourselves, and so I don't exactly know when it was picked. But it's starting to soften up a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. It's a nice big mango.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
Which is nice. Beautiful yellow inside.
Smell?
It's a little underripe.
Smells a little piney. I don't know that it's going to be good. Let's give it a try here.
Like the
A lot
piney
of
that's
flesh in there.
unripe? Or
Yeah, like an unripe piney. It's very juicy though, which
Was it soft?
It was soft. It's the right softness. It's not. Well, of course, it's a pineapple-y one, so it might be. Slightly underripe, but not bad. It's well, it's pineapple, and so it tastes like a pineapple with all the tartness of a pineapple in it.
It's like pineapple and you pour a lemon on it.
Yeah, it's a little tart. It's not fully ripe, but it's not bad. I mean, it's you want to try a piece in here?
Alright. We should have this one first.
Yeah. We just ate a really good mango before that. Always eat your mangoes from worst to best. Never end up on one of your lesser mangoes.
It's still a good mango though.
Yeah, it's not fully ripe. It would have probably done better with another day or two on the counter.
Because I remember this being sweet, and that's the only component this one really is missing.
Yeah.
More sweetness.
It definitely tastes pineapple. It's a day or two. I mean, it's enough.
Kind of like the taste of a grocery store pineapple, like how they're
Little
not
bit.
fully ripened.
Yeah. I mean, it's almost enough to kind of make you pucker your face when you eat it.
The end piece I just had was sweeter.
Okay.
This part up here is going to be good.
Let me try a little piece right down at the end.
And it's even got a tiny bit of creaminess.
Yeah, it's better down at that end. It's a little bit riper. Not bad. It's good. It's it very much tastes like pineapple. Well, mango texture, mostly pineapple flavor, but it's not all pineapple. There's a little bit.
And the ripest parts are creamy, a little creaminess. A little bit of funk.
I don't taste that.
Yeah, I wish we'd waited another day or two. This would have been. It was starting to soften up, and I was just concerned that it was gonna over-ripen. Yeah, overall it's good. It's and most of the other people I've heard talk about Pineapple Pleasure kind of put it in that category. It's not a super complex flavor. It's a little monotone towards the pineapple end, but it is usually sweeter. It does have a nice texture, a little bit of fiber, not much.
If you want a big mango and you like pineapple-y mangoes,
Yeah.
this is a good
And
one
if
to
you
go
like
for.
if you like it with a little bit of tartness, then this is probably a good one to go for. Though I can't remember if it's fully ripened, if it's how much of that tartness it still has.
I don't remember any tartness in
Okay.
this one.
See, I
before.
wish I remembered other ones. I don't. This is not one that made a lasting impression on me before.
I can tell what Courtney's talking about with the funk. I can't taste that, what she's calling it.
A little bit watery, a little bit chalky near the center. Not much, just a tiny bit. hint of citrus in there. A hint of like an orange zest kind of the zest skin part of the orange. Like somebody, you squeeze it and you get that little oil squirts out. Somebody squirted some of that on there a little bit. But mostly pineapple, and like I said, this one's not perfect, but I know they get better than this. So if I was basing it just on this fruit alone, I'd probably give it about a 6.
Yeah. Like 6.
I think in another
6.5.
day or two it could have even been an 8, but
But that's on us. We
that's
should
on
give
us.
it
I got
another day or two.
impatient, and like I said, we just had a really good mango before this, and so our hopes got up, and then so we jumped the gun. That happens. Mango season is all about making mistakes and learning from them, and then eating more mangoes. So,
I want a little bit of that end piece at the top.
in
And a little
pieces.
piece at the bottom too. I feel like this particular one is a 7.
Okay.
Yeah, like I was saying 6, 6.5, maybe 7.
I was already trying. I want from the top.
No,
You were already at the
Or
top.
near the top.
this is the top. That was the bottom.
Well, you're supposed to give it the top at first.
Okay. Based
we
on
go.
the top, it's an 8.5 or a 9.
Really?
Yeah, it's creamy.
Which
It's
flavor
got
is
the
it?
taste of like coconut cream with more pineapple in it.
Citrus and pineapple. To
I
me.
get a lot of pineapple. But I would
Mostly
give that a solid 9.
Even now.
If it all tasted like the top where it was more ripe.
Mm. The top is better than the bottom, but okay. So that's got a really good ripe piece. So if it's let these guys get fully ripened, and then give them one more day, and then
Yep.
probably the best. It's hard to tell with green skin mangoes. It's always a little bit more difficult to tell, when they're ready. But
And this one does get more yellow, I think.
okay, well
Typically,
maybe
but,
that's
yeah.
well again this. It's starting to get a little bit of yellow turning down there, but let's see how it is at the skin. Good. A little chalky near the skin, which is usual. That's a good mango. I'm going to bump up to a 7
For
on this
particular one.
particular one. That part near the skin was pretty good. So yeah, pineapple pleasure's good. I know a lot of people like this one. You don't see a lot of them out and around though. I'm not sure why. But this might be one of those that's a little bit tricky on finding exactly the right time to pick it and then the right time to eat it. But overall, this was a good one. So I do not have one of these in the ground.
I'm trying. I've
try.
got one out there.
Oh, we got one. We got one we could put in the ground that we might put in the ground. So we'll see. Maybe we'll.
It's a nice sized mango, and I feel like it would sell.
I
really
do like the
well.
size of that one.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of flesh on this. That was a really sour bite I just got.
Yeah, you gotta eat it all up here in the yellow right there. That would be like an excellent bite.
Trying to convince me here. That's pretty good.
So we get a tree in the ground?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Uh,
We just didn't wait long enough.
it's a little bit reminiscent of a coconut cream with more pineapple and less coconut, but within that same very tropical, very islandy flavor kind of a thing. But very good. So yeah, we'll probably put one in the ground then.
Yay!
There you go. So pineapple pleasure, you win. All right, that's all I got. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my back.